Good day everyone, back again, another flood update down at the pump shed. Levels come up, it's nearly over that 75 marker. That little post out there, if you can see it on the camera, that little duck's going to go straight past it now. Right there, that's the 56 flood marker. There's another duck down the race. That's just under a metre, I reckon, from the water level to the top of that post. Nothing to worry about. Now in between the camera and that gum tree out there is where that concrete monument is. It's back underwater again, and I can see by the footpath that it's come back up. We had a bit of a lull with that Levee breach at Euston. But I think the rest of the water's coming down now. Send it down, they say. It's totally across the path now. I've lived in Mildura all my life, but I've never known this tree to have some testicles. Have a look at that. Giant testicles. Alright, that's the level on the pump shed. I reckon I'll go and check out the little flood marker behind the homestead and see how that levee bank's holding up. I'll get back to you when I'm there. I've got to add one thing, that current's really ripping now. It's hard. Like, I don't know if you can see it in the glare in the camera. There's like a bow wave on the front of them trees. Alright, see you at the homestead. Well, here we are, back at the homestead. No snakes past this entry. Snakes, you just stay back here and I'm going to keep going. There's the water marker here if I can get down to it. That bottom number is 600 and the top number is 900. Really no idea what that means, but the other week it was down below at the 300 mark. Sorry about the wind noise, but here we are. This is the entrance to Apex Park, Caravan Park, and the wastewater treatment plant. They're going hell for leather, putting the levee bank up through the treatment plant. The water's come all the way in, covered that road. I don't want to go too much closer because we've got trucks turning. I don't want to get in the way. I'll quickly get up here and show you. There you go. It's even gone into the sewage farm. Right, let's get out of their way. There's a pioneer cemetery in there. It is on the higher ground, but it's absolutely surrounded by water now. Now if you can see it, that current out there is just flying along. I mean, about halfway out, it's shooting down, but right out where these dead trees are, you can actually see the current come back this way, and the water right in front of these bushes is going against the current. It's like a giant whirlpool out there. Old man Murray's getting a little bit cranky. Alright people, that's the water level down at the pump shed, and the water level at the back of the homestead, and the current in the river. This is just flying. So I'll leave it here, and I'll catch you again. Be safe. See you everyone.